What's up, everybody? Yep, it's been that kind of a day. Market up or down? The market is down. You can see we're under the highs here in October that I keep talking about in every video. I tried to do a video yesterday. My computer crashed. So the Walmart jobby is about done. But I did follow the plan. Did you follow the plan? If you did, let me know down below in the comments section. But big picture, sideways, right? We're not going down unless we break this little line I have on here. And I see a lot of signals, but it does not affect the basic trading strategy for this kind of beginner level account. So you can see here, we have the full gamut of buy orders filled except for HPQ, so I will cancel that order. I only give it 24 hours. If it doesn't fill, I do not chase it. We made our money on HPQ. So we do not need to go back down that road. Okay. I'm pulling up on the mobile phone. It's the best way to do it to see what actually happened. Looks like we had Match.com, 28.90. I just want to make sure my prices are correct. What I actually got filled at 74 and a duck, 37.20, 24.84 check, GPN 67.21 check, 67.99 check, and we had FDS 222.62. That was it. So overall, still really good for the month. And we have our trading plan to go over. So as you can see on the screen in front of you, after I canceled the HPQ buy order, we have $1,500 of cash money. All these were stocks that we bought technically yesterday on the 4th that we need to sell. But let's go through the trading plan step by step. Step number 1. Is the market up or down? It was down. So we're supposed to go through stocks we own from smallest to largest equity-wise. I don't care what the share price is, but total position size equity-wise. And we're going to go through the screener and try to buy these stocks. So GPK and Match are the first two. Doesn't matter if they went up. You know, we got to follow the plan. We'll build a position if it stays in zone. So GPK is not on here, right? And Match is not on here. So as we go through the brokerage account, you can see this position shot way up. It's up $2.56. Holy moly, donut shop. So I will put a sell order in for this one. So we come over here to the spreadsheet. We have an interesting thing here. 24.84 divided by 2, because I bought 2 shares, times 1.01. Pause the video, do that math for yourself. And I'm going to go ahead and enter in that closing order. You can see this thing went totally berserkers. It may not take my order, but it should, because the market is not really doing anything right now. Futures is open, but sometimes it will reject these orders. Look, it's almost $1 more. Like, wow. So it may reject it. If it does, we'll just put it in for 12.54 check. Send it. Hopefully it just takes it. We're good. Good. All right. So very high odds it sells as soon as the pre-market opens. Good for us. Next one was Match. So $28.90 times 1.01. And we'll do the same thing there. So Match is up very high as well. Wow, what a windfall profits here. This one we have 29.18. Limit order, always good till cancel with those extended hours. And if I get more, I'm grateful. But I'm not that upset if it if it feels for what I put it in, even if it traded a little bit higher. Next ones are NOG and H&R Block. NOG is not on there. H&R Block is. I got bombed again today. Look at this thing. Holy smokes. But PEs are still nice. No debt. Nice dividend. 34.56 HRD. Wow. It's a huge difference. What the screw happened there? 7%. Yikes. But it still fits the plan. So emotions aside, and execute. Very simple. Limit order. Good till cancel with extended hours. Okay, then we had NOG, right? So we do have a sell order in for that. So we'll just continue on our snowball here. We have GPN and OMC. Don't crash on me. I don't know why the thing crashes. I'm not a computer guy. But it's just a basic computer. This is all I use it for. Stocks. That's it. GPN, not on here. OMC, not on here. So for GPN, we have 67.21 times 1.01. Oh, this has shot up a huge amount. And eventually we'll have, some orders in for pretty much every position. And that's how you know my job is complete. 67.88. Limit order, good till cancel with the extended hours. There's a reject. All right. Limit order, good till cancel with extended hours. And this is a huge problem of me having a job. And I think the job has to go very soon. It's too expensive to have a job. Truly is. That's not the order I want, but hopefully it fills. OMC. 67.99. How's that for a spread from 30 to 69? Be very careful. Make sure you're doing everything right. And do the right math. Because the market will let you make a mistake. And it will punish everyone equally. And I love that about the market. It doesn't know if you're rich or poor, what your race is, does not know. Docs and Civi. There's Docs, no Civi though. That's an old school one, so let's check out Docs here. Still P's in range. We've got our dividends, low debt, 73.06. Not worried that it went down. We still have capital. And when it's gone, I don't have to check anything. It's a little different now that this account does not have a deposit, but I'm pretty sure it can stand on its own two legs in perpetuity now. And it's not a big account. That's just a huge power of the strategy. And a little luck, but once I found out it worked, I really fine-tuned this thing over the years. So hopefully it can help you get your own trading plan under control. Limit order, good till cancel with extended hours. All right. We had Civi, so let's make sure we have everything going there. We need this one. Oh, that was SM now, so we'll check for SM and FDS. SM is not on here. FDS is. Back set. We've got nice PEs. We've got a dividend, reasonable debt, 225.43. People that run out of money here or lack the courage to continue to buy this will have a really hard time getting rid of this thing. Remember that time is the most valuable commodity on earth, and we'll do a little exercise here. If you bought it at 254, you're trying to sell it at like 257, right? But as you get the second share, now your average is 238. You're trying to get out at 241, under the price where we initially bought. But the third share takes our average all the way down to 234. So a 237 gets us out of this thing. And as it, well, we'll see it. Yeah. As it starts to flatten out, we've got the green candle. We'll build into the position, and as it comes back up into this range here, we're going to be out. And as it's over the long period of time continues to trend downwards, we're going to make profits, and life is going to be fantastic. Looks like we have some new customers on the screener. We'll go through that. We still have cash. Is that what we had? 225.43. Check. Yeah, the computer definitely can't handle my moves there. Limit order, always good till cancel. Extended hours, we try to keep the position sizing to 1% of our total account. But I don't do partial shares because if you do partial shares, number one, you get screwed by the market makers. But number two, you can't do a limit sell order out. So once the sell order's in, I do not look at these things. So that was the next step of the trading plan. Whatever number's next, universe of stocks. If you don't have a universe, that's understandable. But you can start by doing stocks that you've heard of. But you should do advanced research, or at least 2 or 3 minutes worth of seeking alpha, just to see if the company makes money over a long time. But there's a few on my universe here. First one is ADP. PEs are too high, which means it's just a higher quality company. So people are willing to pay more money for it. It's not that complicated. And we have United Health, which is a Dow stock. You should know the stocks of the Dow. PEs are too high. All right. Next number, whatever number's next. I just go alphabetically. So we got Broadridge. PEs are too high. We're not in a deep correction. You can see by the screener. Haemonetics, we check every day. Oh, PEs are too high there. Did H&R Block. We got Hercules. I have traded this in the past. It's got a huge dividend, high debt, but under our limits, and reasonable PEs. And you can see it's asset management. It's really more of an income deal, right? So HTGC 1698. If you see stocks like this and you want to just skip out of them because it's not the kind of stocks you're looking for, that's okay. But I have a black and white trading plan and I just follow it. And a lot of times I think there's a thing called paralysis by overanalysis, whereas people think a lot but do very little. I think you need to fall forward fast sometimes. I'm dyslexic. HCTG. What is the symbol? HTGC. Hercules, Hercules. $16.98. Limit order good till canceled. Extended hours. You can see we're starting to lever in our capital into the markets. Very exciting. But we did not put it in all at once. And as I always like to say, we are at not the top. Okay. So you can rest easy no matter what happens next in the market. We didn't put the money in at the tippy top. It's impossible. The trading plan protects me. Paychecks, this one didn't fit. PEs. Penny Mac. Debt is over 4. You see how it's 5.3? No thanks. SSNC. PEs are too high. It's usual for this kind of sector. We already did United Health, didn't we? Yeah. So that's the trading plan that I have. Hopefully it helps you formulate your own trading plan. And you can see over here on the left side, everything has a placeholder. So I've done my job successfully. You can see we're about 2/3 into the market. And we have a lot of stocks that should sell very early in the morning while I'm asleep. I'm going to be sleeping. And just a few minutes a day has changed my life. Still continues to change my life, but I think it's time to take some of the money and sail off into the sunset. So as I go on, these videos will be less frequent, but I genuinely hope to help you. If you have questions, reach out. Remember, I'm not licensed for anything. This is not financial advice, but this is an average dude. I just worked 8 hours in a factory, drove home, and a lot of those sell orders will fill immediately. And we made a lot of money today. We just hadn't realized it, so we'll see what happens tomorrow. And if there's a lot of exciting stuff to report, I'll try to do another video. But if not, you should know basically where my head is at. And hopefully that gets you going. So if you're winning, let me know down below. Make sure to subscribe and share this with the mites, the people who might do something, because it's a very small percentage of folks that even care about this. But if you're tired of struggling for money, this is how I got out. So hope it's helpful to you. Have a great night. Catch you in the next one.